happened?
I grabbed her.
Okay. Okay.
I know.
You want to catch another one?
Yes.
Okay, go catch another one. Get him in the corner.
Get him in the corner.
In the corner.
I know. I will get you. I will get you. I will get I know.
Good job.
Huh?
Good job.
Got her.
Yeah. Is she heavy?
Hey, Mommy.
She's heavier than Mommy?
Yeah.
Really? Mommy's bigger. Mommy's bigger. Pet her.
I know. I got you.
What are you doing to her?
Get her down.
You're getting her down?
I know. I will get you.
Good job, Audrey. Good job.
Aw.
She's gonna leave. Oh dear.
Oh dear. Let me catch another one.
Oh! Whoa, whoa. Good job.
I know. I got you. I got her.
You've caught all of them except chicken. That's a different one. That's a different one too. Careful, baby.
I know. That's not Mommy.
No, that's not Mommy.
Not Mommy.
No, you're all sweaty, baby. Aren't you hot?
I'm not hot.
You look hot.
Yeah.
You didn't catch chicken yet.
Huh?
No, you gotta go catch chicken. Get her in the corner. She's really fast. Get her in the corner. There you go. There you go.
We got her.
Good job.
Little.
She's little? Yeah, she's little. That's chicken. That's the one that jumps up and gets our bread.
I got her.
I know. What was that?
I got her.
Mm-hmm.
Favorite one.
That's your favorite one? Yeah, you told me that before. She's always your favorite one. I thought Mommy was your favorite. No? Chicken's your favorite? You better go up to the house and get cooled off. I know, I see the bee up there. You better go up to the house and get cooled off. Hmm? It's okay, baby. What the heck is Grandpa doing? What is Grandpa doing?
Okay.
You gonna let her go now?